Why database design can make or break your application. Most developers ignore database design, they focus on APIs and UI. But the real backbone is the database. What database design means: how data is stored, structured, related access, common mistakes, poor schema design, too many joins, no indexing, duplicate data that impacts slow queries, performance issues, scaling problems. Even a fast backend can fail due to bad database design. What good design includes: proper normalization, efficient indexing, clear relationships, optimized queries. Real-world problem: as data grows, queries become slower, systems become unstable. With experience, developers do think about data growth, query patterns, access frequency before writing code. The shift from storing data to designing data systems, the final take. Bad database design slows everything. Good design makes systems scalable. Rocket emoji.